Marty? Hey, Marty! Marty? Marty!
Where did you get such a fruity hat?
Excuse me! Excuse me! Hi. Is Marty in there?
Marty? Anyone see Marty? Where's Marty? Which one of us is Marty?
All right, well, if you see him, tell him his friend Alex came to say goodbye.
Goodbye? Goodbye? Don't go. Where you going? Can we come?
No, this is something I have to do alone.
You can't leave the reserve. What are you doing? They're gonna get you. Hunters are out there. Hunters are everywhere. The people are gonna get you. Did you leave the hat? Reserve.
Marty, look, I know you're in there. And before I go, I got something I want to say. You've been a great friend. You've helped me so often to see the bright side of my problems that I never think of you as having any. I wasn't there for you when you needed me. Just like back at the zoo. What kind of friend does that make me? Pretty lousy friend, I guess. Well, I just want you to know that you're 1 in a million.
This is just touching. It is touching.
So could you please turn around so I can tell you that to your face? That's right. Gotcha. I see you in there. Yeah, you. That's right, you. Right there. 12th row, 203rd from the left. That's you, Marty. I know it's you. You know what makes you special? These guys. They're white with black stripes. You're black with white stripes. You're a dreamer, Marty. Always have been. You have great taste in music and horrible taste in friends. Well, not Melman and Gloria, but me.
Okay, I'm in.
No, Marty. You can't come with me.
I don't believe you have a choice. People are out there.